Twithira tugita muno muthikiria. Acha niwaulize historia yako because I need to understand. Jana kulikuwa na game gani na gani ama uliwatch gani? Du mbiro na reoro.
Pochogo.
Chukua mic huko.
The only way to survive no mwanka bakiura na muura ni urabaura ni rotuko.
Jiridim lakini.
Tunataka kwanza ndio ndafunga hat-trick. Akwarimire.
Hiyo achia Messi wale.
Lakini andere ikuhurana. Nteko ndo utumira miaringe kiraito murungi atumirete yita.
Metumira kiraito twamenyeri.
Lakini tokathukia ari to ari untenda.
Lakini Uria atire wewe hata ile ni timu gani?
Andere Uzbekistan ya
Uzbekistan. Wewe unajisikia nchi kama hiyo?
Ilikuwa inafanya nini World Cup?
Uzbekistan.
Hiyo ni nchi.
Kone nyangia gutokura sao. Achi World Cup.
Ibathithire toveting na boneka kwina nde guruka ibosi.
Alafu sasa Union Orlando arawerua.
Kedona
ngenti 5.
5. Kedona ngenti ni kiata inga iria Congo.
Ani kibona too much bile towards Ronaldo.
Nino onto Spain bataura.
Where is your bile too much?
Hakuna bile ni eti. Unajua hata kwenda kudefine who a goat is.
Can I end this story? It's only my gender that can say the truth.
Hapa si story na gender.
Lakini
si story na gender.
Gender yangu inakoga na kaukweli. Because anyway, muthikire turuga game ya tuweka mwanki muno. Please make sure uko na Coke baridi. Kire World Cup non to Coca-Cola baridi. Iyo pressure inakuanga kwa football. Ndakwirire I'm yet to understand it because kwithara kwina so much tension uwe ikigerio bo kuthithia nyomba. For example hapa sasa mna watch football.
Iguchamuka.
What happens?
Iguchamuka.
Mubira. Mubira jutha ju passion. Mubira jutha ju passion.
Kwani mnakuwa na feelings?
Nukumea muroyo mubira idara ukuona ngodu netete kuingira unasimama unashika kichwa inakataa kuingia.
Kumande kunira thamosi.
Hapo inakuja inakudisappoint.
Kumande kunira thamosi ndabere mubira yo koronero kwa ringi.
Ai thamosi yake.
Ukaone huko nje.
Inya TV.
Ai mnanivunjia thamosi juu ya kuamka na meza.
Unatumiaga thamosi. Kufanya.
Sisi milenio. Sikukuja chai. Wadhikiria Coca-Cola, kuna Coca-Cola 350, kuna 350 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter, na kinyako ina special edition ya World Cup. Hii by then nilikwambia nilinunua hii, inakaa fiti sana the branding.
Hapo sawa.
Nilinunulia branding Morgan. Inakaa fiti sana by the way. Nilinunua ako
kwanza wako the most instead wa bekira tucho bachia Coke hapo.
Ibonga eta
Alafu
because I felt pain.
Kaire kone nyato kan nani to kan tura
to World Cup ikonda agurire
to nandi ukagura to tuinge nya World Cup ethira ugato to banga nyomba u
unasikia
mantu no jabu lakini mbere tuthirania story hizi Messi is the goat.
Messi is the goat.
Wewe unasema Ronaldo.
Messi is the goat.
Ronaldo mimi tuko tutu. Tuende penalty.
What's your talwa? But mtugio to talwa. Dai Joy Karuitha Kiugo. Joy Karuitha Kiugo nare giro kire kabisa.
Mbona mnacheka? Angalia Masadi.
Ndio to mastore mubira to.
Unajua kwa mtu mwendo wanaandika no more joy.
Na nikaona huyo ndio the goat sasa. Unaona nilimwambia yeye sasa ndio mpishi wa ukweli. No more joy for joy.
No more joy. No more joy because but I think weka to mtoto joy it is either she brought it to herself kana aretero. But I don't know how somehow. I think where somehow joy atira fit kire cabinet with all due respect
from the word go
na eteyo kionde kirambo ba komoa kwithro ari mtu munene kwithro ari mwana mwari kwithro ari whatever she is but she did not fit in that cabinet
oni
alikuwa off from day one
from day one kuma kire sorry kuma kire interviews abwethia kuma kire rwari rwake akirie kwa issues kuma kire shenanigans yake kuma kire posts yake che mitandao, she did not fit to be in the cabinet.
Kiakwa Joy ambiria na nyomore ambiria na kuthithia gintu kiria giatumire Amiru bamumurika kuma ntuku embere antu batamwije personally ntamwite lakini ntukwire ejire yari vetting kana ntuku embere Aland Kinoruna chopa governor inauguration ingari lakini waziri indege au
48 laws of power
kwira oga ni chira oga
outshine your master
tu ukageria kingo tiagarambio na ndeu no ejire antu bambire ucuria mwari uwejire andegeri
nona
nuri ku bamwe bambire kugenya no wejeta kwa DJ
bambire kugenya no acting DJ
There's a time actually akijire kwa DJ
na ndito mantu tu ireu atumantu bamumurika aigwatiria gitoci kiria kiamurika muici na ndigwatuika nandi kuma thaa ici
all eyes on her
twina waziri bange tukwene nyama waziri bange antu batije ba Reverend Karo bau batije kena bau
okay
na tutitana style yu njoo yezirani nukuona kuna mawaziri antu batigitabura batetinda kumurika tu uria ministry ya trend ugo wirigita kuigwa antu bakiuria ministry trend yetete ate ikariate ministry ya tourism ikariate Miru antu urigita kuigwa antu bakiuria about gatango giri lakini Joy no tura ki limelight ni untu bwa antu kwire arandire achopa number 2
for all the wrong reasons actually.
Number 2 tuje ki social media mantu ja postaga tu itonaga sijui
waziri wa dunia
waziri wa sherehe waziri wa dunia sijui ni na ndi antu batinda bakumurikite ronde na antu batinda bakumurikite ugo ukiretera thina utiretera wenka ugikuriria thinene ugakuria governor uretere nya chief of staff
cause you are a CC
na ndi utume Linda Kiome atonyere thina
bonde batonyunta kene
na ndi au jau jarari mantu inevitable imantu jatingi umba kwebereka mbere thina ire ijankuruki
ankwenda kuthomera katiba article I think ni
good intentions
with good intentions
I'm just putting a disclaimer
with good intentions but ukwenda miona what do you think
about
is it the unyande churia tiri
ako ndarare waziri
tirari waziri
waziri ombi
muma
watanyure mu what are you talking about
waziri ko
achemiru
kwani nurari waziri arari waziri na ibu onto baro ekera nenkanero
arare model
oh sorry
so there is no difference between Verasindika na we let me finish Martin ukidhoma pia acha nikujibu because tell me where on earth a public officer weekend hii Kenya etiwoka wa post mitandao ni ukiwa sijui weekend sijui zibe sijui sheria heshima zake
waziri wa dunia
kwina way
but
we conducts ya mtu wa delete dockets ya thirikari there is a way utebati comment mutandaoni kwina respect Robert we kama tanio ntikumenya kithira kate ikiru induction kitikumenya kithira kate ikirwe kiri kuritano mantora mtu abati kubwithia robisine so okay akuthi baritanirwe then utiombombira naramenya iwaziri na namenya ngwira gwethia atia akurita so what I can say is this in any public office or whether wina godfather or whether wina godmother or whoever eyo ditangwe ku yako makira because tell me igavana onge uriko we Yamiru amuyukere waziri there is a way kinyoka guthira utikwenda buru muntu ubu kuritana ngo utio mwenda kwina we umbo profile yaku miaka tha inki ditangwe yao ndikuritangwe no kwina future ikeya so future yako ya karate after tukwe moya kinya bume one place to another ya karate so the way you package yourself the way anto bako yukiokari. So on to me kinya the governor took too long kurishafu cabinet wewe na karabaete kanya barabara alikuwa kana whatever.
He's very patient.
He is very patient.
Yeah.
Na let me tell you something. Orika na rono rongi tuyo na fisi. Enda uwe mama yako na mimi niwe mama yangu kuje tukule tuone nani. Kitu hiyo retera rea. Haikuwa mama yake. Fisi retera kuwa mama yake. So kwene nyakora kwena bako mislead bangi. Twende hivi. Owa tuko mesa indira mbetete nireko. So for me Joy could have learned that nkuyobisine mwinge kwena life after mutuma itarira kethira ke atho ofisine kwena life after thirikari riko thirikari no kuona kwena nya national levels. So mbera who will take her I minister we kana I chief officer we either in the coming government or in the future kana kiria levels kana NGO. So to me it is a wrong example nyakiri the young people nontwara chita mwakilishi wa Gen Z
ontobu matine na thenabu
na thenabu ntiko me ontobu matine na thenabu but urankwenda kuwa na atiri kirari a bad example kiri young people because kwena mwari young ukwenda wa aspire utuweka MCA utuweka waziri utuweka chief officer utuweka PS urenda mbere ibwana you example ana baade barenda kuthoma wenda kanana I take that example. Just asking.
You know, first of all, I think Nede we need to define. We need to define young. We need to define Gen Z.
Please define.
Yeah. You Google that.
Because meanza kumisuse hiyo jina.
Because I think it misuse Gen Z.
If
you are a millennial, can you be a proud?
We better misuse young relative.
Yes.
But Gen Z
menyenduki Gen Z nduki.
Mtochiari na
mwaka jojo na jojo.
Otoni de muichunge. Nteme yakuwa either the
oye mubabu kana mokobia.
You are a millennial.
I am a millennial. I cannot be a Gen Z.
Simple as that.
Simple.
But EO is not related to what we are talking about.
It might be, lakini sawa.
It might be, but in sawa too. But Article 75 edu, you know, bro kueleza is not optional. Bro kueleza no,
it's an option.
Article 75 ya katiba, conduct of state offices. Idiwatire. A state officer shall behave whether in public and official life, in private life, or in association with other persons in a manner that avoids A, any conflict between personal interest and public or official duties. B, compromising any public or official interest in favor of personal interest or demeaning the office of the office holder.
Hiyo class akwa. Ama hiyo induction ilianza kama jana.
But again, kwe manto yangi na utubati codifying also still. Patience na decisiveness.
I agree.
We also need to
on the side of the boss.
On the side of the appointing officer. Itubati kinya codifying ya kana kueleza, you know, either kwithwa taurerani ya Kimeru.
Kwa ndo mba iliro kwenda kurua thina. Kwithirwa ri. Kwithirwa let's give an case scenario yetu kwariria ya Mutuma na Joy. Mutuma has been very patient. Either he is patient or indecisive. Either a patient nonto edu kuwa Joy twamuonere from the word go. Na si Joy peke yake kwa hiyo cabinet.
Wewe tutakwenda kuweta anto marieto.
Tutakuweta atakuwa yes this one has happened and si Joy peke yake kwa hiyo cabinet tukuombaonera 18. But I think either the governor are patient. Number 2 atento murume baraba karanthi baka I have made this decision. Yeah. Because it's the appointing authority. See, it's a direct appointment.
You see, dira were atete kiria blackmails renge. I was like, who was blackmailing you, sir? Rabo arinwe tu kana what did he mean?
Ana rele kwithura Brahma ni shamba ta ure buke onsukuma konene. nkaua
Gutebwa
so you
kaua.
better bukire ndite ngwekwa kana bwendelee nkaua nkaua I will expose you so to me county rambo bakua na atri siasa iteke yao siasa
And
iteke
I
yao
think the governor is taking forever to learn that.
siasa iteke yao loyalty yani ipanishawa instant and disloyalty ipanishawa
Hapo, hapo.
instantly
Hapo.
either wewe kana wewe I do not care who you are okay akothera buruku ibote loyo kio una kono you are not loyal na kiroto kyako titanitie akyo as a politician kana as an
Hapo.
I will throw you out I
Hapo,
will
hapo.
not care who you are because loyalty niyo ya imbere ukamenya this person no want take bullets for me
On your
so
behalf.
okay akothera you are the one who is just shooting me from the back
You will take my bullet.
then you have no business
Curia-
being in my office kana I have no business working with you so I believe alimuni ni rathirire na moving forward tomba kuona matendo yangia ya I hope ni alimuni rare ni
Maybe
rathirire
because I'm still
And,
doubting.
sorry, Morgan. Miaru ya Mheshimiwa Kirinya watene na you know ya Aurora speaker kire bunge Murogocho. Atone miaru ya bunge yoro ya kwebelwa kwa Joy.
I'd like to formally inform you that the office of the County Executive Committee Member for Lands and Physical Planning and Urban Development, Housing and Public Works is currently vacant following the dismissal of the former owner of the office.
Therefore, this message is to tell you, Governor, if there is anyone else, kana watu kakwe muntu unge aige cabinet yeku ate kuritangwe bura kubateire governor. Piga kalamu, leta jina ingine, no ntuigo sheria yeku orku.
Wena bangi kana.
onde na kiuria
Uria.
riu ngavana oraia eraba mutembei eno tibu eraki
Yeah, Meru. Yeah, please.
akini manyibu bware au augire atetekirio ku blackmail kairite augire nteto after maranya akuma tu na augire nteto after maranya kuma mbere ya Njoe abutongo gitu mbere Njoe karwetha abutongo gi officially ankuria atiri ri ngavana kuga atetekiria ku blackmail number 1 no ko blackmail no ko blackmail governor na kithro kuga u maranya ku resign na kithro kuga u mbere Njoe abutongo gi appointment ici ngavana athithetie pau akuiba mu blackmail gari ibo ba mu tetherete kuthithia appointment yu kai ba mu nenkere te appointment yu na kiure ke muthia
tuko umuka na wire kinyamanto ya Godfathers.
aha au na nene otwitite na kiure ke muthia kethora na ndi mutana agwika kabuti kamutumiria nthi ari acho amura ikondo tukona bangi bakigitabura tukona casualties bangi kana na te ago gweta
What did you say about Godfathers? Kindly remind me.
Actually, ka oriru about was it mantu ya no, it was about I ko uru muri mantu ya ya okarande ne karokira ba wa ba eka. And then as he explained ira wetere okay akwithro awejire na Godfather and awejire na Godmother. I think he mentioned kintu yakiu
awire atri awire neo nya story che sympathizers yire awo nya ko na sympathizers ba mama bwende I'm coming for you na rombichie with ombue so you are message somewhere coded na rombichie with ombue was a very strong statement kuma kire governor na iya ka ko me sympathizers ibao na au kinya wagi nthoni then thirikarewe atibwitikiria whatsoever so oni to me I'm waiting for more mantu ya ite ya maingi muno bre mwaka yothira A lot is coming.
Oh, na ino
It better comes because
A lot is coming.
if the kind of people surrounding him do atenda nao kwa siasa,
because
doomed.
mutuma na realize you cannot work with borrowed soldiers bagutethia. For example, tukwira nini ya mantu ya tenda ya riu teyanirwo ya kodro ni what the contract ira nambi baro achori chikuma
inache umire
zilikuwa zimetoka. So these are the sympathizers.
Those are public documents anyway.
No, tutikuichi bad
public document.
no, but
no ntobate uturia budget kuma
those are document ite batire kwithirate. So no kuona bau badiki document before Kenya chikara meya kwena kana ke public na kwena ku leak information
very crucial.
I agree. Bereta public te korea huku wa mate.
1 minute.
Yes please.
You see about leakage bere ya appointment ya Dorothy. Bere appointment ya Dorothy
tomerwa yoro
bloggers bari be kuwa like a week ago.
Kinya Joy was fired last week 2 weeks ago by bloggers.
Na boy yo karika.
But baro era athomera tariki 12 June, so it's true, it's 2 weeks.
Idongo kwira atire then how come bloggers bakomenya manto 2 weeks prior.
Bloggers bamenyere bere ndwa bunge.
Manto ala umaragwa.
So those are the ibonto kuatire for him. I hope na ara athomere you cannot work with borrowed soldiers about tethi kwethia
ate. Most of them unfortunately they are borrowed.
Uchindandwa. So it's about time wengwa now accurate soldiers bawe moving on kana remain na soldiers bawe no tuko na soldiers bawe tutumbo mutuma tena soldiers mutuma na antu bawe bara barungamire nwe na batura kurungama nwe kinya thai and we know them. So it is either wengwa menya so kuna antu bombo nkwira na kuri antu dragre dareta ma opportunists baraba kuraindi nambi adirikare
lakini ande tukiora na yabire byonthe ri
it's not too late
tukiora na yabire byonthe ri menya kwena mtu
Very quickly Morgan so
inya kintu gikenene muno antu kidogo muno kiuria na ndio tukurania foot soldiers anga by the time governor okara kumenya foot soldiers ibao ukutigwa na antu sijui bakuromba mwananchi no maendeleo za karo kinya mashinani le
kile siasa mbere na I think
the rest later
makosa ya moyera gavana mutuma mba kwethira abwithire. Of course I have no authority ya kumwira either la abwithire makosa kana ata abwithire, but from where I sit gavana eko appoint CECs ba mbere buru aberere ndebo thura bweta kuritangwe. That is morally right but politically wrong ati botete teko campaign ra kana ndingira siasa. You know, morally right
politically
ngobodhura bweta kuritangwe, politically wrong ati ndio bodhura bweta kudingira campaign kana ndingira siasa ngoichi yetu chichi atiariria
iba anaba muringira
very very politically wrong. Anyway rutero rungina ruo political scientists na koritana a constitutional lawyer siasa.
I mean kuniangalia Martin
siasa na koritana katiba because kuna meari ya mbere ya tutakire meari ya professor la deputy mean former deputy ni ate muthikiri okyakwithwo ri biashara ne ya mantu ya urimi okyakwithwo ri biashara ne either we uri aggregator yani weta kuira into miundene na yo supply kiri supermarket weto supply kiri machukuru okyakwithwo wewe na butchery ku somewhere okyakwithwo we na agrovet ku somewhere kana uri umwe na nchambe ngitware niyo etwa mwambi we enda sinto bya kubwethia in biokora bia ndethia then ni wokurwa ne avenues kwa sababu somehow akauchumia katwende ifiti na uchumbi utetera bobo yawo biashara rimwe ni fluctuate kana yete na ma na weta kwena mako rimono yina miaka ria witia ni bonto batere kwithwa ukiara na ide na ntobeta wa avenues ngweyo ni fund biashara cia mantu ya kuhusiana na urimi irethirwa ni butchery wenio irethirwa wi murithio nguku weko supply nguku irethirwa weko supply iria kana maybe we na milk ATM ku somewhere kana we to kabwithe yogurt chiaku kana kinya dairy we bwina dairy nu somewhere cooperative yenu area somewhere bwita burete area you need kwithirwa wina muchore wakwe muchore witwa avenues inya *789*89# kana 0111333 na bakethwa bayo tethia na njira nene sana especially ukiagwitha biashara yenu kana kuyi na mwaka yumwe na ukiagwitha wina turnover ya thiringi ngirima na yathatu omweri
tutakemia professor we have less than 10 minutes
yeah. Tukiremea Professor Kindiki akiwa mantu ya 2 term.
Hakuna kitu kama 1 term kwa katiba. Ule mtu anasema 1 term hajasoma katiba. Katiba imesema tu. Katiba imesema tu. Term ya kwanza ni ya kuleta programs na kuleta policies na kuleta marekebisho na kuleta ile miradi ambayo inaambatana na ruwaza ya huyo kiongozi kama kiongozi wa taifa. Tamu ya pili ni ya kukamilisha.
Tukiremea former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua nwe aibutana katiba. Maria Gachagua.
Unajua hata ukiwa profesa ukae na mtu ya standard 2 kama Sudi ama Kibet Faruk, akili yako inateremka inakuwa ya Sudi ama Faruk, si ndio? Hii Zaborano anasema ni profesa, anasema ati katiba ya Kenya ati inasema 2 term. Iko kitu kama hiyo? Wewe unajiita profesa, washa ni kuelemisha kidogo, because hii kukaa na Sudi na Faruk imekuletea hasara kubwa. You are embarrassing us here in the mountain. You are reasoning like a standard 1 child. You are reading the constitution upside down. The constitution says a president is eligible for a maximum of 2 terms. But there is nowhere the constitution of Kenya says you must go for 2 terms. The same constitution says there shall be an election every. I still have your number. I'll send you an abridged version of what the constitution says about the election of a president. Yeah? And the term limit for the president. Sindio? He's a brand ni buri siburi.
Yeah. Funny, though. Funniest. Ni atiana lambe ya Kindiki.
Okuwa udoi pasono. Odo basiasa meate pasono.
I thought about to go to the block but Mary professor ni kumikira sense moken?
Professor ni jora kuthithia. Na ije na ara kwariria nteto yu. Nteto yu akugo u aketa mbungene kana geta gikaro kina tu gantu serious. Kina kigomano kina mawaziri ya bunge bakiara ichungu kira bara yana mya kwina igita yakwari Kiswahili na kwina igita yakwari ichungu Kenya igita rara kwari ichungu twikirite taina tukarinde Nairobi na Nairobi china nene atiomba kwari u eta kwariria mwana inchi na za ground na ije uro kwirwo u atarara thugurite constitution na atikaro migura arenda kunengerwa kira kionenkanirwo au kwariria u inyoka wa mwira katiba ina 20 terms atina ariori arangeja ro kwaria unkuringira MP urete kira ureta unimpane wa wanka gore mutumite nandi ikyo kuona akiario ikyo ona bagichunka meario simple as that.
Chapter 9 article 142 ya katiba, the president shall hold office for a term beginning on the date on which the president was sworn in and ending when the person elected president in accordance with Article 136 is sworn in. A person shall not hold office as president for more than 2 terms. I think that is what Professor was saying.
Ndio.
Lakini walo atire
kwena kura kategate
kwena Article I think 136.
Nukono uo thoma. Una ndeka sagu akuga ni wa atumira kiendeki.
All na Article 136 ile kuwa bora president akaringirwa kura after every 5 years.
Ikiongo kwira atiri kindi kio tikiate kumenya ui professor wabo.
Yeah, exactly. Na you see, Morgan.
Oh, no bera kindi kiate kumenya itoringa kura hii between.
Loko miarimu mtu na rasia mantu kinya yate yama. Mwanka ikasia we ngo mantu yankwaria uma.
Especially mutiata.
Professor na kumenya uri akuthithi na na kumenya iba wakwaria. Ugwe bwithugane professor ati umi burendete akiara yura maraga akwaria mantu wazi. Athi relevance ethire rujo. No mume mukuri no mume. Ari ura maraga akwaria kana umtata ura baraia bagika mantu wazi. Relevance ekathira rujo. Murumo jo kathira rujo. Utigwe professor naza lakini irazima ari gintu kirai kareta controversy.
Weka unta mtu jaga chako, you don't go with facts.
Exactly. Irazima ari gintu kirai kareta controversy. Yeah? Irazima ari gintu kirai kareta controversy. Gintu kirai gigatiga kiuretie tiri pokare bwe mwaraire kiume kimwe mbere ya kubwariria na ukaire. Bwe bwe murikana.
You know, it's a case scenario reduce kama ushikutana na mwanasiasa no kumenya buru ground mtu no garichia. Lakini yekwera ground iriwo yoni na wafuasi benyu mama mura ni wewe ndugu ni wewe na ground iriwo yowe
kwena ngitware mathiko kazana kangi kezera ukauga uni naza ibu mbonete maita za maingi muno nturene na mtuga tarara kinyete nawe ithaiwe umeta campus na ntu bamuringira mpe lakini onde muchoro enu bambita imbitika na imbutethetie muno na ntu bakaringa mpe
siasa ni regura uko na milioni moja ukipata milioni moja tu wewe ndiye MCA uko na milioni 10 chwa milioni 10 yake wewe kwa MP leo utaringira kuro milioni 10 chaku bakwenda kwa thiate
kanto bakara
bakwenda kuria but professor narenda kwira opposition yatiri patu turiwa 2 term so ku justify 2 term apa kutira katiba na urakwenda kana abero ura akwenda ibu katiba ekuwethe atia ibu ekuabero te president wa the time we so no ndo tora guo te president wa the time we 2 term na katiba ru the maximum limit ya presidents udhurire yele ni bidi below te batwe and beyond that na komya kura ni bati kuringo in between ya lakini ka kondo budikira bodi nyakatiba ite kuwa tamu emwe ile 2 term na leo ka kwenda gashagwaria no buna araharirie so in politics is all about creating chaos watu kwa rero so si ati anajua kila
anasema anajua professor katiba means anaijua vizuri sana
but ndenda pwende bona reply ya professor
Facebook.
Yeah.
I read it. Hiyo ingenipita. Hiyo ingenipita.
Ameongea vibaya.
Anyway.
But anyway, nima tukiethera tukiona royo again maandamano ya it is not if you have to whether no lazima waandamana royo. Please maintain peace.
Matatu sekte wa kesho wako kazi. Kwithire kwina maandamano ana kutena maandamano.
I think that's the way to go.
Wao wako kazi.
Yeah, life lazima itaendelea.
Kenya
life itibati kutira royo because just because kwina maandamano. Okay, it is all right kuandamana. Ni haki kuandamana ero kuibwa nobatire kuandamana kwina itumi kya kuandamana no waandamane kana nobatire kuandamana. Lakini okay akwithirwa royo no mwanka waandamane. Please waambirie mbita town kurea kithira yakwa ambita akurea ukairia mtu wina cabbage yake etakwende cabbage ya koromone ukairia mtu wina matunda yake soko mjinga ararura ukairia mtu wina matatu yake endelea na biashara yani right yako itibati kurieria yako endelea.
Yeah.
Exactly. No to ni right yako kuendelea na life yangu na right yako kuandamana so if you have to please let's maintain peace.
Thank you. Thank you so much Mutageri wa Wero TV na muthikirire gaturikiria ukenda turi
amara. Bora kia biashara tianto.
Please.